My name is Leanne Wood and I'm the leader of Plaid Cymru, the Party of Wales. Yes, and Plaid Cymru's manifesto commits to ending fossil fuel extraction over the long term by making sure that there are no new open cast mines for coal in Wales and that we don't frack. And I've said that not 1 inch of Wales will be fracked under a Plaid Cymru government. We've set a target of reaching all Wales's electricity needs being met by renewables by 2035, and we intend to meet that objective, difficult though it is because of the change in the subsidy regime from Westminster. But we intend to meet that obligation by a number of different measures, like supporting large-scale renewable energy production, like the tidal lagoons, the Usk hydro project, as well as supporting community-owned renewables and big infrastructure projects like a home energy efficiency scheme worth £3 billion. I'd like to legislate to make sure that supermarkets are not able to, and large shops are not able to throw away the waste, the food waste that they currently do. In terms of households, I think great strides have been made in terms of ensuring that waste food is put to good use through anaerobic digestion, and I think many local authorities have risen to the challenge on that, so that's a positive. But I think we can do more in terms of education and ensuring that the very young understand that when we waste food, that it's not good for the environment. And I think that if we teach children to grow and cook and prepare their own food from ingredients, then I know as an allotment holder you will waste much less food because you've put the work into producing it. Plaid Cymru has taken great lessons from the German example, and we want to support local energy grids, we want to support community-owned renewable companies, we want to enable all households to have solar panels and be able to access our home energy efficiency scheme, which is worth £3 billion and will make a big contribution to reducing Wales's climate emissions. I think that the home energy efficiency agenda is a good one to have a number of different wins, as you've already identified. So we should certainly prioritise that, but public transport is important as well, so to put that above others I'd be reluctant to do. We want to have an infrastructure plan for Wales which ensures that we have energy infrastructure as well as homes at the heart of that plan for investment in capital investment in the future. One single one, I think it would be the home energy efficiency programme. If we can retrofit 1 million homes to make that and have a large chunk of them actually contributing energy as well to the grid, then I think we'll have made a good contribution as a country to global efforts to combat climate change. I'm in awe of nature. As a gardener, I'm constantly amazed at what it does, how nature fights back against human intervention. And I think obviously without nature we have nothing, so we have to do everything we can to protect the precious balance of natural life that we've got. And we've got such amazing natural life in this country.